How does health research on meat-based diets compare to plant-based diets? When it comes to health research, the debate between meat-based diets and plant-based diets is quite fascinating. Let's break down what the studies show about each approach. Meat-based diets, like the carnivore diet, focus solely on animal products. Many people who follow this diet report significant health improvements. Surveys indicate that individuals on a carnivore diet for 6 months or more often experience better overall health, reduced hunger, and increased energy. They also mention improved mental clarity and focus. Some even claim to manage or resolve chronic conditions such as diabetes and obesity. Interestingly, many participants report they have reduced or stopped taking medications for chronic diseases. This suggests that a diet low in carbohydrates and high in fats and proteins might help with weight loss and managing certain health issues. However, it is important to note that these findings mainly come from self-reported surveys, which means they lack controlled clinical verification. On the other hand, plant-based diets emphasize a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Research supports the benefits of these diets for long-term heart health, weight management, and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and hypertension. Plant-based diets are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while being lower in saturated fat and cholesterol. However, those following a plant-based diet need to be mindful of certain nutrients that are typically found in animal products. Nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids may require careful planning or supplementation to ensure adequate intake. From the perspective of the carnivore diet, the quick improvements in health challenge the idea that plant-based diets are always better. Advocates argue that removing plant foods can reduce exposure to irritants or allergens that might cause inflammation or digestive issues. They also point out the nutrient density of animal-based foods. Despite these claims, many health organizations warn about the risks of restrictive diets like the carnivore diet. Concerns include nutrient deficiencies and potential heart health risks due to high saturated fat intake. They emphasize the importance of a balanced diet that includes plant foods. For anyone considering a meat-based diet, it is wise to monitor health markers closely and consult with healthcare providers about cardiovascular health and nutrient status. Those on plant-based diets should ensure they are getting enough nutrients through a variety of food choices or supplements. Both dietary approaches requiring attention to quality and balance for optimal health outcomes.